Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Exercise 4.1 All Sums. Today topic Life Mathematics. Last year you studied percentage, profit, loss, and simple interest, profit percentage, loss percentage, and all you know very well. First exercise only this about. What is the meaning of percentage? Per 100. Percentage meaning is per 100 or out of 100. Per 100 or out of 100, it is denoted by the symbol is percentage symbol. So suppose that writing in x percentage is how to writing in the fraction form. X percentage denoted the fraction x by 100. 2 percentage 2 by 100. You taking mark 50 percentage 50 by 100. 100 percentage 100 out of 100. 99 percentage 99 by 100 is the fraction form. Selling price short form SP. Cost price CP. Selling price is big. Profit. The sum is the profit. Cost price amount is big means that is loss. So profit and gain is equal to SP minus CP. Loss equal to CP minus SP. CP meaning is cost price, SP meaning is selling price. This profit and loss is always, profit or loss is always calculated on the cost price. Selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Profit equal to formula SP minus CP. Profit percentage formula or gain percentage formula is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage equal to loss percentage divided by cost price into 100. So profit and loss always calculated the cost price. Always calculate by the cost price. Exercise 4.1 filling the blanks. First sum. If 30% of x is 150, then x is dash. Question is 30% of x is 150. So 30% of, use the symbol is multiplication. X is equal to 150. 30% of meaning is into x is for is equal to 150. X is equal to 150 divided change into multiplication change into the division. Divided 30%. 150 divided 30%. How to write in the fraction form? 30 by 100. 150. Now this division change into the multiplication. This number you write in the reciprocal. 30 by 100 is equal to 100 by 30. 0, 0 you strike out first. 1, 3 is 3. 5, 3s are 15. 5 into 100 equal to x equal to 500. Now 30, if 30% of x is 150, then x equal to 500 is the answer. Second question, 2 minutes is, second question, 2 minutes is equal is dash percentage to an hour. 2 minutes is dash percentage to an hour. 1 hour equal to here 2 minutes. So here given in hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Here minutes, here must want to change into the minutes. 2 minutes be x percentage. What percentage is 2? No, you taking in x percentage of an hour. X percentage equal to 2 minutes. 2 by 60 into 100. Now cancellation the number. 1, 0, 0 first you cancel. 1, 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 10 by 3. Divide this number. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Answer is 3, 1 by 3. Percentage symbol must there important. So put in the percentage symbol. Third question. If x percentage of x equal to 25, then x equal to dash. If x percentage of x equal to 25, then x equal to dash. X percentage of x equal to 25 you write. X by 100, half symbol is x, half symbol is into x equal to 25. X percentage write in the fraction form x by, this symbol meaning is by 100, x by 100, half symbol is into x is equal to 25. X into x you multiple there, x into x square divided by 100 is equal to 25. This number division change into the multiplication do in the cross multiplication. X squared equal to 25 into 100. Now x squared, x there find for, put in the square root symbol. Square root of 25 into 100. 5 5s are 25, 10 10s are 100. The square root, two numbers from writing one number. 5 into 10 equal to 50. Now x equal to answer is 50 is the answer. Next, fourth filling the blanks. In a school of 1400 students. So total number of the students is 1400 students. There are 420 girls. The percentage of boys in the school is dash. Okay, now total number of the students is 4000. Total number of the students is 1400. There girls 420 girls, boys. So how to find in the boys? Boys, total number of the students minus girls, if get it the answer is boys. 1400 minus 420. Minus and right means answer equal to 980 students is the boys. This is the boys. 980 students is boys. Question from they are asking in percentage of the boys. So percentage of the boys equal to first boys. How much boys there? 980 divided by total number of the students 1400 into 100. First you cut the number 0 0 you strike out. 114 is 14. 7 14s are 98. Extra 1 0. The right answer is 70%. Last question, 0.5252 is dash percentage. Whatever the decimal asking in percentage for you, multiple by 100. Okay, decimal change into the percentage, multiple by 100. Decimal change into percentage. Here given the number is this point. So decimal number change into the percentage. So multiple by 100. Given number you multiple by 100. 52525252. First, here full number is, what is the number? 5252. Here is 1. 1 into 5252 equal to 5252 you write. There have the extra 0 you write it there. Next you count that decimal number 1 2 3 4 for 1 2 3 4 you keep in the point. This 20 is no variable, strike out there. 52.52%. Next, the second Roman letter, rewrite each underline part using percentage language. What is the meaning? Some question for the underline this number, this underline parts you change into the percentage. Underline this part is you want to change into the percentage. 1/2, 7.5 points out of 10. Next, pure silver, 40 out of 50, 2% out of 3. These underline these parts only you change into the percentage. First question, 1/2 of the cake is distributed to the children. 1/2 only you want to change there. 1/2 change into the percentage. Whatever number change into the percentage, what their work? Multiple by 100. Multiple by 100. This number you change into the multiple by 100. 1/2 how to the right? 1/2 into 100. 1 2 is 2. 5 2s are 10, 50. Answer is 50% is the answer. Therefore, answer 50% of the cake is distributed to the children. Okay, next, Abarna scored 7.5 points out of 10 in the competition. So, this one how to the write? 7.5 out of 10 you write in 7.5 by 100. Change into the percentage. This one want to change into the percentage for multiple by 100 into 100. 110. First you multiple this number 7.5. Remove the decimal point 75 100 equal to 7500. You write. Point after one decimal for keep in the point and cut it the 0. So 750 divided by 10. 0 strike out. Answer is 75%. Abarna scored 75% in the competition. The statue was made up of pure silver. Pure gold, pure silver meaning is 100% is qualified there. So now pure silver for you write in first here 100 by 100. Pure silver meaning is 100% pure. 100% pure for how to they write 100% writing in the fraction form 100 by 100 to express the percentage. So this number you multiple by 10. Change into the percentage for given the fraction you write 100 by 100 into 100. 100 strike out. Answer is 100%. The statue was made up of 100% is the answer. Next question. 48 out of 50 students participated in sports. 48 by out of 50 how to they write 48 divided by 50. This number change into the percentage for multiple by 10. 150 is 50, 250s are 100. 48 into 2 equal to 96%. Therefore 96% of students participated in the sports. Next, only 2% out of 3. 2% out of 3 how to they write 2 by 3. Percentage changing for into 100. 2 into 100 equal to 200 by 3. This number you divide there, get it the answer equal to 66. Here remaining is 2. So answer is 66. Answer first 2 by 3. 66 2 by 3 percentage. Only 66 2 by 3 percentage will be selected in the interview. Next question, third question. 48 is 32% of which number? 48 is 32% of which number? Let the number required to be found x. First, which number is don't know, you write it x. So how do they write 32% of which number is equal to 48? 32% of which number is equal to 48? 32% writing in the fraction form 32 by 100 of into which number don't know. So here selected in x, you write it x is equal to 48. X equal to 48 into change into the division equal to after into change into the divide 32%. Next this division change into the multiplication. Next this fraction you write in the reciprocal. So 48 into 100 by 32. Psych out the number. First use in the 2 table. 1 2 is 2, remaining 1 6 2 are 12, here 50. 1 16 here. 116 is 16. 3 16s are 48. So 3 into here 50. 3 into 50 equal to 150. Now x value equal to 150. Second question. What is 25% of 30% of 400? What is here only 1%. Here given in what is 25% of 30% of 400. First you find in the 30% of 400. First step 30% of 400 you find. This is the first step. So 30% how to they write 30 by 100 into 400. Psych out the zeros. 1 0 1 0. Here 1 0. So 3 into 40 equal to 120. Now this answer write in second one. For the next given in the 25% of here already find it the answer is what is the answer 120. So 125% of 120 is equal to 25 by 100 into 120. 5 5s are 25. 2 5s are 10. 0. 1 4 1 5 is 5. 5 4s are 20. 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12, 0. Now answer equal to 30. So the 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400 is equal to 30. Now one time see the cancellation 25 by 100 first. Half or use the symbol is into 120. 125 is 25. 4 25s are 100. Okay, 1 4 is 4. 3 4s are 12, 0. Answer equal to 30. Okay, 25 percentage of 30 percentage of 400 is equal to 30. Next question, if a car is sold for 2 lakhs, from its original price is 3 lakhs, then find the percentage of decrease in the value of the car. Original price of the car is 3 lakhs. Actual selling price of the car equal to 2 lakhs. Now decrease in amount from original equal to 3 lakhs minus 2 lakhs equal to 1 lakh. 3 lakh minus 2 lakh equal to 1 lakh. This is the decrease amount. Now percentage find there. Decrease amount equal to 1 lakh. Decrease the amount equal to 1 lakh. Therefore percentage of the decrease amount equal to decrease amount divided by original amount into 100. Decrease amount equal to 1 lakh. Original amount meaning is the car price is 3 lakhs into 100. Cancel that one. Here 5 zeros, there 5 zero. First strike out. 100 is 100 by 3. Divide this number 100 by 3 equal to 3 3s are 9. 1 0. 3 3s are 9. Remaining 1. Answer equal to 33. 1 by 3 percentage is the answer. 33. 1 by 3 percentage is the answer. Next question. If the difference between the difference between 75 percentage of a number and 60 percentage of the same number is 82.5. What is the meaning of difference minus? Subtract the number. Which one want to subtract? 75 percentage of a number. Number. What is the number is don't know. So you want to take in x. The same number also x. 75 percentage, how do they write in fraction form? 75 by 100. 60 percentage is 60 by 100, you know very well. So how to they write? Given that 75 percentage of number less 60 percentage of number is 82.5. So 75 percentage, 75 by 100, yeah, number is x, less than for minus, difference between meaning is minus 60 by 100 into x. 75 into x equal to 75x divided by 100 minus 60x divided by 100 equal to 82.5. Now these two denominator also same number, write it one time. 75x minus 60x equal to 82.5. 75 minus 60 equal to 15x. X for chocolate. So here x, 15x divided by 100 is equal to 82.5. 15x equal to 82.5 into 100. Now 15x equal to, multiple the number. One here full number is, what is the number? 825, here 100. Here 1. So 825 equal to 825. Here 2 0, you write it 0. 2 0. Point after one decimal one number. So keep in the point and cut it the 0. 15x equal to 8250. Therefore x equal to 8250 divided by 15. Now answer is, strike out and get it, the answer equal to 550. What is the answer? 550. Strike out the number. Fifth table use and cut. 3 5s are 15. 1 5 is 5. Remaining 3. 6 5s are 30. Remaining 2. 5 5s are 25. 0. Again strike out the number. 3 5s are 15. Remaining 1. 3 5s are 15. 0. Our answer equal to 550. Now this question from they are asking in, then find the 20 percentage of that number. So required to find the same number. Now get it, the answer equal to 550. Next one step is there have required to find 20% of number. So how do they write it? 20% of x. So 20 by 100 into x is equal to 20 by 100. X for what is the answer here? 550. X for what is the answer? 550 is the answer. So now x for you substitute that value equal to 550. 0, 0, 0, 0. Remaining number is what is the number? 2 into 55 equal to 110 is the answer. Now difference for find that answer. X value equal to what is the value? X equal to 550. X equal to 550 is the answer. The next x are they finding the required to find in 20% of the number. So 20% you write of a number is x. 20% 20 by 100 into x. X value equal to 550. Strike out and get the answer equal to 110 is the answer. Seventh question. A number which increased by 80% gives 236. Find the number. So number is what is the number? Don't know. So you write it x. A number is what is the number? We will take that number is x. Increased for use the symbol is plus. 18%. The same number is how to the answer equal to 236. How do they write x? X increased for plus symbol 18%, 18 by 100, yeah, number only. So x must you write is equal to 236. So by 1. Now two number also different number, do in the cross multiplication. 100 into x equal to 100x plus symbol 118 is 18. Here x is there, have you write it x is equal to 230. 100 plus 18 equal to 118x divided by 100 is equal to 236. 118x equal to, do in the cross multiplication, 236 into 100. Therefore x equal to 236 into 100 divided by 18. 118 is 8, 2 times is possible. Answer equal to 2 into 100 equal to 200. Again one time see there, a number is don't know, you write it x. Increased for use the symbol is plus symbol. 18% of the same number for 18 by 100 x must write, don't forget, is equal to, get it the answer equal to 236. Denominator two numbers also different number, do in the cross multiplication. 100 into x equal to 100x, 118 is 18x equal to 236. 100 do in the cross multiplication. 118x equal to 236 into 100, x equal to 236 into 100 divided by 118. One time possible, here two times possible, 2 into 100 equal to 200. Eighth question, a number when increased by 20% gives 80. Find the number. One number, which number is don't know there. A number is don't know, for you write it x. Decreased for use the symbol is minus. Before sum is increased for use the symbol is plus. Now here decreasing for use the symbol is minus by 20. So let the number be 20. X first you write. Decrease for use the symbol is minus 20% for 20 by 100. Which one for a number? So into x gives for use the symbol is equal to 80. Come the answer equal to 80. Now same condition only, do in the cross multiplication. 100x minus 20x. Before some adding, here want to divide minus the number. 100 minus 20 equal to 80x. 80x equal to, do in the cross multiplication, 80 into 100. X equal to 80 by 100 divided by 80. 180 is 80. Remaining is answer is x equal to 100. Ninth question. A number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in that number. A number, which number is don't know, so let me take the number is x. Let me take the number is x. So first step is what is there given? 25% increased this number. So x plus increased for symbol is plus 25 percentage of that number is x. So x plus 25 by 100 of into x. 25 into x equal to 25x. Here by 1. Do in the cross multiplication. 100 into x, 100x. 1 into 25x equal to 25x divided by 100. 100x plus 25x equal to 125x divided by 100. The same number, what is the answer is there coming? This number is decreased by 20%. Now divide the number. Fifth table, 5 2s are 10, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20. So 5x divided by 4 is the answer. Here answer equal to 5x divided by 4. Here 5 into x equal to 5x divided by 4. Decreased by 20% for 5x by 5 by 4x minus, decreased in symbol is minus, how much percentage? 20%. 20 by 100 into the same number is 5 by 4 into x. 5 into x equal to 5x by 4 minus, these two number you multiple. 20 into 5 equal to 100, x divided by 4. 100 is 100, 100 is 100, so 1x. 5x by 4 minus 1x by 4. 5x minus 1x, same number only. So write it the number. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Here x you write in x. 4x by 4. 4 4 cancel. Answer is 1x only balance. Answer is 1 into x equal to x. Now you take the number also x. Come the answer also x. Anyone changes there, 25% increase and 20% decrease for no changes. So no changes. Hence percentage change in that number is, what is the percentage? 0%. 10th question, the ratio of boys and girls in a class. The ratio of boys and girls in a class is 5:3. The given the ratio is 5:3. If 16% of boys and 8% of girls are failed, 60% is boys failed, 8% is girls failed in an examination, then find the percentage of the passed students. Now percentage symbol for total boys you think in 100%. There 16% is failed means remaining percentage is how much there? 84%. The same also 100% girls, 8% failed. So 100 minus 8 equal to 92% is failed girls. See the step. The ratio of the boys and girls is there given in 5:3. Boys part equal to 5x. Girls part equal to 3x. Total parts, total boys and girls parts equal to 5x plus 3x equal to 8x. So failed boys equal to 100%. So passed boys equal to 100 minus 16 equal to 84%. The percentage for you take in 100. 16 minus 100% equal to 84% of boys is passed there. Now boys part equal to 84%. How do they write? 84 by 100. Boys part equal to 5x. So 84 by 100 into 5x. 84 into 5 equal to 420 x divided by 100. The same 16% instead of you find in the 8% in girls. Failed girls equal to 100 minus 8% equal to 92%. Girls part equal to 92 by 100 into 3x. Girls part equal to 3x, boys part equal to 5x. So multiple these two number, 92 into 3 equal to 276. Here x, write it here x divided by 100. Now total boys, total passed students for boys total and girls total wanted. Boys part equal to 420x divided by 100. Girls parts equal to 276 x divided by 100. These two also add first. This is the total students, total passed students, boys plus girls. 2 also same only, write it one time. 420 plus 276 equal to 696x. Now this is the passed students only. Percentage of the passed students for total passed students divided by total parts into 100. Total passed students 696 divided by 100. Total parts equal to boys total and girls part equal to what is the number there? 8x. So write it here 8x. 8x into 100. Total passed students 696, x divided by 100. Total parts equal to 8x into 100. 696x up you write, down you write in 100. 100 into 8x into 100. 100 strike out. X also you strike out. 8 and 6 remaining number is, what is the number? 696 divided by 8. Divide and write means 8 8s are 64, remaining 5, 7 8s are 56. Now percentage of passed students equal to 84%. 4.1 sums completed.